Hello once again, this is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management, and I'll welcome you once again to, I guess we're going to call this the weekly wrap-up. We'll go over some trades today. It's been a really busy week as far as development and also trying to do the trading room and try to put my creative hat on it as well. To get the new, get new updates and so forth. If you're not on, we were very close to launching our own trading chat room. Live trading chat room. Goes ahead and put your name, email, as much as you'd like to share with me, and submit this to get on the subscription list so that you can get details about when that's all happening. We had a really nice week in the bonds. That was last week, and we talked about that a little bit. But this whole area right through here, 3 times that we were looking at the bonds, and it was nice. It was basically a $2,000 week, and that was last week or the week before last, and so that was kind of neat. And then we had some carry forward in the bonds on Monday, and also another day as well. We're going to look at the charts in just a few minutes. So once again, here's my YouTube under the name TradeCraze. You can get to it. Just go ahead and subscribe, and you can get updates on the new videos that I put out and so forth. I look forward to sharing with you if I ever have any questions or any concerns or anything that you'd like to talk to me about. Just feel free to, you can either send me an email at tradecraze@gmail.com, or you can send me an email right off here if you don't want to share your email with me. I don't mind. I know it's all about trust, the know, like, and trust factor, so I hope to earn your respect as it goes on, time goes. We're going to talk a little bit further about that in a little bit, so I want to show you a little bit of where we are on the website design. But before we get to that, I kind of want to go over to Forex Factory, and let's talk about what's going to be happening into next week. Here's forexfactory.com, and you can see it'll be the week of the 9th, and stretching out be the second week of August here, or second full week of August, I guess you could say. And we're looking at Monday. There's really nothing happening on the Monday. Tuesday, there's really no red reports happening either. Nothing really of significance to talk about here. Now Wednesday is the first day. Let me adjust this chart just a little bit. So we're looking here at Wednesday, and you can see there's a bunch of red reports, 4:30 a.m., 5:30, and we have the trade balance report coming out in U.S. Trading times here at 8:30, and as it relates to my trading room. This will be the first red report we'll be looking at. We got the 10:30 crude oil inventory report. That's a weekly report that comes out on Wednesdays at 10:30. And in the afternoon here, this is the first time the FOMC, not first time, but this is the August meeting that's coming up. So we have the Tuesday and Wednesday meeting of the FOMC, and it's culminating here at most likely on the 2:15 or around that area when they announce the federal funds rate and what their plan is. More importantly, what their plan will be as it relates coming into the fall. The fall, we're pretty much in that dead zone here in August, and we're looking for a little bit of directional rate. This is kind of this most likely on Wednesday, August 12th, is going to be the key factor that's going to be driving the market come Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Hopefully we'll see some carry through. We have some nice report releases here at 8:30 here. Unemployment claims. We have core retail sales and retail sales. This is some nice three reports right there at 8:30. This could be some nice volatility at 8:30 on Thursday to wrap up our week. Now we're looking at we're just throwing, this is a home page of Knight Capital Management. There's a lot to do. This is not any way what this page is going to look like. Obviously at the top, this is pretty much set in stone in the menu that we're looking at, and the picture here of me and the tiger, and the key elements are here as far as there's actually another product that I'm going to have on this page here soon. It'll be about the T-note and T-bond trade. Another little trading strategy that I like to use as it relates to the T-bonds, and now that I think it'll be more applicable to the T-notes as it moves forward. So I'm actually rewriting some information so we can include what's called the ZN market, or the 10-year note market, into this. So let's take a look at the next page and actually this is a sales content page here. Lots of information that I'm sharing here. There's a lot of stuff here. I don't really want to go into too much detail here. You'll get to see this, but it's just kind of a little preview here. Here's me in front of the trading desk. I don't normally wear a suit, but for this purpose I decided to put the suit on. I do have the suits, as the saying goes, so I do have that. This is me in front of, it's actually one of my monitors that we have in front of all in my trading desk here. and some testimonials that's been supplied. Performance report. This is kind of cool. This is the S1 is actually based on. Hold on, let me use my tool here. The S1 here, S3, and S5. S2 and S4 are controls. This is based upon a $5,000 account, even though it says 15. The optimum account balance over here is 15,000 on the S5. This is based. S3 is based on a $10,000 account, and S1 is based upon a $5,000 account. If you take a look at it here, you'll see that we have a 65.91% winning rate. This is the profit factor I'm talking about at 2.24. So this is the trading room. This is pretty much, we use the S3. The students are in my room are looking at S1, S3, and S5. I mean, obviously there's more leverage that you can be talking about as it relates to this whole overall market and all the way we trade. But as far as it relates to the room, what I'd like to teach you is a progression. Maybe you're trading one contract here, and you're getting your second contract on S3, and then you're using your series of 3, even though that's a terrible 3. The series of 3 contracts here over here at S5. So there is a progression as you move across, going from 1 to the second to the third and so forth. So I think that's kind of neat, and we'll be talking a lot more about that in the near future. Now we're looking here at the Omnovia package here. This is Omnovia, and I'm the only one in the room when I did the screen print here. Actually, I have my developer doing the screen print. Here's our logo using inside the room, and this is one of our charts that we're looking at. And it's nice. It's a real nice platform. I'm enjoying a lot. I'm looking forward to introducing this platform around the week of the 17th right now. So August 17th, it's coming up quickly, and I hope to be able to, we're looking at the week of August 17th, roughly around the 18th to 20th, to be all moved over here to Omnovia. Wrap it up, here I am sitting in front of a wall in my office, and just a little casual picture. I guess you have the front page with the jacket on, and then me in front of the trading station. Obviously, I like to trade with a hat, and a lot of times a nice shirt and shorts in the summertime. So that's what's kind of cool. This is one of my all-time favorite quotes right here by Thomas Stonewall Jackson. I kind of live my life by this quote: "You can be whatever you resolve to be." And I think that's really important. So a little bit more about me, who is David, and then my nickname Tiger Knight, and some neat stuff. I think I look forward to sharing the 10-day free trial. Then $97 per month will be the trading room, and we'll talk about that in the near future. Look, my next video we'll talk a little bit more about this. This is not set in stone what you're looking at. This is kind of like our first draft of the sales page. It's getting really close to where I want it, and being the sales content page. And let's talk a little bit more about some trades now. Got about 2 minutes to talk some trades, so let's talk about a minute and a half here. Let's talk some trades. Monday morning about 10:05 a.m. This was a nice ZN, also a ZB trade. This one went on to ultimately reach the lower average daily range. You had the opportunity to take it off here at the low of the previous day, which is major resistance, major support, excuse me. Or you could just about take it off a little above this is what I normally do to get the lower average daily range. A lot of students in the room were able to catch this trade here on the ZN or ZB. What's kind of cool about the platform that I'm using right now, the Tiger template as I'm calling it, is this 10:05 entry was a nice little gain here for us in the ZN as well, coming into this would have been Wednesday's trading on the 5th. So another nice little entry here on the ZN and also on the ZB. Nice volume. Volume was really good here as well. Here in the ES, I wanted to point this out. Here's our spike reversal right here, and here's our moving above the spike reversal. Whoops, that just looks terrible. But right here, right above the spike reversal, and this movement up ended up being a nice trade. So this recovery here after the employment numbers, if you like trade Fridays, this was a nice little move up, or you might have been able to catch some of this move down depending upon how wide your stop was on the spike reversal bar. But the better of the trades was waiting and being patient, waiting for the spike reversal to fail here, and then making that trade on the upside. Last but not least, we had a 10 a.m. crude oil trade. This was I'm showing some of the best trades of the week here, and my screen drawing capability is not that great. But anyway, this was a nice little rundown here as well in crude oil. This is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. Wish you all the best in your trades. If there's anything I can do to help you, just let me know. Look forward to talking to you soon. Take care, everyone. Good trading. Talk to you. Bye now.